The Army Artillery Regiment of Philippine Army conducted functional tests to the newly repaired Italian Pack Howitzers at Army Artillery Regiment Fire Base in Palayan City. The 2 units of newly repaired Italian Pack Howitzers underwent functional test firing that was performed by the personnel of IF Platoon, Bravo Battery, 5th Field Artillery Battalion. After a series of firing utilizing different types of ammunition, the 2 Italian Pack Howitzers passed the parameters for the functional test firing and declared functional and operational. After the proficiency firing, the certification of the personnel of the Italian Pack Howitzers platoon was conducted, declaring them as proficient in performing their respective duties and responsibilities through the 5th Field Artillery Battalion Certification Committee.